Uthuthuria wigie ngucanio ya maguta ma muigana wa ciringi bilioni 17 gatagati ka Mwonjoria Ann Njeri na kambuni ya GALANA Energies noire mwerekera mweru thutha wa miena yothe iria kuruhanitio na maguta maya gwikinyia mbere ya kamiti ya mbunge igie hinya uria tuhuthiraga niguo gutariria murugamo wao. Ann Njeri uria ukoretwo akihinyiriria ati niwe mwene maguta macio niagire na ihinda iritu gutetera murugamo uyu wake makiria kuona nyingi cia rekodi ciake itigutwaranaga na mĩario yake guku imwe cia rekodi ciake ciirikanire gukorwo iri cia ngungo.
Ile tax compliance certificate ambayo mmepatiana is fake.
No, it's not fake.
I have it, it is fake. If this committee was interested in causing new troubles, then already we have identified a lot of gaps. But when somebody prints a certificate of compliance, KRA, and even misspells the words compliance, and it's written tax complaints certificate.
Ningi kamiti ino ne hithoriria ati andari akorwo na marua ma kumwitikiria gukorwo akiingiria maguta guku bururi-ini kuria gitetera ugire kwa ihinda iraya akoretwo akienderia maguta make kuma bururi wa Dubai.
Uliwezaje kufanya hii biashara kwa miaka 14 bila license?
Ya kwamba sikuwa ninajua inahitajika nikuwe na license ya hiyo ya mafuta.
Lakini umesema tayari umefanya hiyo biashara kwa miaka 14.
Yeah, niko na license ya General Commodities, which is include product zote, lakini hii ya energy sikuelewa ya kwamba ilikuwa inahitajika.
Imwe cia rekodi iria kamiti ino ithingiririe Ann gutemania mbere yayo ni hamwe na rithiti cia marihi na bengi iria huthirire kurihira maguta maya. Rekodi ya kuonania riria mĩario yabokerirwo maguta macio, riria yakuire kuma bururi uria maguta macio magurirwo na riria yakinyire guku bururi-ini.
Ni benki gani ilikupatia letter of credit ama ni benki gani iliweza kutransfer bilioni 17 to yule mnunuzi?
Clearly, was it through credit or as a letter of credit ama ulilipia cash money?
We were ninalipa na MT103 direct wire.
It was a direct wire. Kwa hivyo ulilipa tu cash money yote.
From one bank to the other bank, yes.
Mwene-ini wao kambuni ya GALANA Energies nitamanirie kihiri kia rekodi cia kuonania niyo ene maguta macio iria ciuma hamwe na rithiti ya marihi ma mbeca icio kuma bengi ya KCB nginya kuri kambuni ya Aramco iria yamendeirie maguta macio. Rekodi ciothe cia kuonania thabari ya meri yo kuma gicukiro-ini kia merigo kia Jeddah bururi-ini wa Saudi Arabia nginya Mombasa.
And it had 4 bills of lading. Then the cargo sailed for a day to Jeddah for Jeddah anchorage, and then it sailed to Mombasa on 30th, and then she arrived on 11th of October.
Na gutiriha uthuthuria uyu uma murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa kunyabara gicukiro kia mirigo kia Mombasa Captain William Ruto uria wirire kamiti ino rekodi iria ikoragwo meri-ini ciothe yonanirie kambuni ya GALANA Energies gukorwo ario nyene maguta macio guku mutambo wa kiriu uria mahuthira guthurima thabari cia meri ciothe wekirire mukonde undu uyu.
So as far as I'm concerned, the consignee of the product or the shipper was Aramco, while the consignee was GALANA Energies.
Have you received another one manifest with a consignee of similar amount?
No, neither have I received and neither am I aware of.
Are there ships coming without agents?
Never, I've never seen one.
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitagomora Wagunyam.
Thank you.